Hey fellow subscribers and newcomers, in this video I will be finally trying out PC Manager, which is Microsoft's PC cleanup and boost application. It is available in two formats: MS Store version and standard EXE version. I'm using beta version March 8, 10 on Windows 10. First things first, the UI can't be maximized and can be used only in small window. By default, the app opens under Home section, which gives an overview of PC Boost, Disk Cleanup, Process Manager, Health Check and Startup apps. Let's try out Health Check and await the status in good health or not. Oh, it looks good for now and I don't have to buy new PC. Now let's check the tips and tricks suggested by the app. Oh, it looks like a sarcastic article to upgrade to Windows 11 even though my PC isn't supported. Well, moving on to PC Boost. Before clicking on Boost, let me open Standby Memory Cleaner by Vineyard and Task Manager. Let's click on Boost and it did increase the in-use and standby memory. You can enable Smart Boost if required. I will keep it disabled. Under Process option, you will see only end-user applications listed. You can end the task or simply leave them as is. Let's check how deeply can this app free up app cache and other remnants. I'll run a quick scan of Wise Disk Cleaner and check how much disk space can be freed up. It seems Wise Disk Cleaner can clean up more remnants than Microsoft's app. Till now it seems PC Manager gives me more negative impression whilst compared existing utilities. Moving on to Startup Apps section, you will see few enabled apps such as Windows Defender and Firewall. Under Protection tab you can initiate a quick scan, check for Windows updates, restore browser settings to Edge and Bing search, fix taskbar issues and set/restore default apps. Under Storage tab, you can check the File Cleanup section to clean up downloaded files, large files, and duplicates. You can search for large and duplicates files on per disk/partition basis. You can even configure Storage Sense to automatically clean up temporary files and downloads folder. I have it disabled. You can enable it if required. Under Toolbox tab, you can add custom links, web tools, and other Windows tools. I believe PowerToys or similar can be listed. Under Repair Tips tab, you can safely ignore these tips to reset default browser and search to Edge and Bing. Under Settings, you can enable or disable the following: Smart Boost, Auto Start PC Manager app, block pop-ups, insider/early app releases, auto update, theme and language settings. Finally, you can provide feedback to add a feature or fix a bug. Well, we have reached the end of the video. My final verdict is the app is intended for beginners or less tech-savvy people who just wants to quickly free up cache and memory. For tech-savvy people, skip this because existing utilities such as Wise Disk Cleaner, ISLC, and Bleachbit does its job perfectly. Anyway, I don't want to disappoint Microsoft fans. I'll give this app another shot when I buy a new PC certified to run Windows 11. Until then, bye for now. Don't forget to share your thoughts in the comment section, and if you found this helpful, please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you once again to all my subscribers and the community for your continued support.